Hi guys, in today's video I want to talk about how to take care of the penis. So the penis is an organ in the male body that helps to remove waste products from the body like urine, and also for reproductive purpose. Reproductive purpose in such a way that it passes sperm out to the female body, which fertilizes and becomes zygote, which is the baby. Tips on how to take care of the penis. The first one is change your boxers every day. Like, the focus tends to be on women in this area, but the female and the male has opening in their private part. The female has in the vagina while the male has in the penis. But I don't know why people tend to focus on the female when it comes to this point. Guys, your boxer can also smell as terrible as the panties of the female will smell if she doesn't take good care of it, because the penis tends to bring out waste products like urine, and remember, urine is a waste product that can smell. So when you do not change your boxer as you should, it is bad for your penis health and it can cause penile infection. Do not wear synthetic boxers. The most common one is this condom boxers and sort of. I know it tends to pack the penis well, but it does more harm than good, because it kind of creates a moist environment for the penis, and this moist environment promotes the growth of bacteria, and when there is growth of bacteria in that area, it can cause penile infection. Clean or rinse your penis after urinating. Don't just shake it. You guys know what I'm saying. Whenever you urinate, make sure you use wipes to clean the head of the penis, or you rinse with water. And this is because urine has a lot of microorganisms, and there is no how, if you do not rinse or clean the head of your penis after urinating, there will be some small things that will still remain on the head of the penis, which can cause the growth of microorganisms. They can spread and cause various types of infection. It is better to clean the head of your penis or wipe it after urinating. Also, clean the penis after having sexual intercourse. Remember, your penis is coming out of an environment which is moist, and this liquid that comes out with your penis can be a room for microorganism growth. You don't know if your partner has infection, or even microorganisms can be transferred from your partner to you. So it is better to clean your penis after sexual intercourse, and don't just leave it, because bacteria can find its way to travel into the penis and can cause various types of infection. It can cause urinary infection, it can cause penile infection. Do not use unhealthy substance for penis enlargement. I said this in one of my videos. I'm going to leave the link right here. Vendors that sell body enhancement products are not doctors, neither are they health professionals. Even some of them are health professionals, but the love of money tends to blind them of seeing the harm in all these substances. They go as far as writing books, publishing nonsense just to grab your attention. So you will notice that most of these substances do not have NAFDAC number on them. That is, they've not been tested and trusted as something that can be consumed by human beings. If you have any problem concerning your penis, make sure you see your doctor and not any body enhancement seller, okay? Do not use unhygienic substance like body cream, groundnut oil, saliva as lubricant. Body cream tends to contain a chemical known as parabens, and parabens are used as preservative. Now, when this gets into the hole of your penis and they find their way of getting into your body, it can cause a serious infection, because it is made of chemicals, and you using it as lubricant is, if you want to use a lubricant, if you are in need of a lubricant, you can simply purchase one. And using your saliva, your saliva contains millions of microorganisms, and when these microorganisms get into the hole of your penis and find its way of traveling into your body, they can also cause infection. Groundnut oil, it is for eating, not for lubricating. Do you understand? And most of this groundnut oil has been contaminated, and making it come in contact with your penile, or it's not even something that will be intentional, right? But when you are in the action and you want to lubricate so as to enhance motility or whatever, they can find their way of getting into the hole of your penis and can cause any kind of infection. Shaving. If you want to use hair removal cream, you should be very careful, because hair removal cream are chemical, something that will peel off the air from the body, you should know that's chemical. So be careful of it getting in touch with the penile, and if you can't use that, you can just make use of a shaving stick. If you are not a fan of shaving, just try and trim it a bit so the place won't be too bushy, and also it will allow ventilation, because when the place is too bushy, it will start sweating, and that sweat can lead to a breeding space for microorganisms. Clean sex toys before and after use. When you do not clean your sex toys, microorganisms tend to breed on it. Before use, microorganisms in the environment will have laid on it, and when you use them, they get into your body. When you do not clean them after use, that's even the worst one, because as for men, you've ejaculated on them, and this ejaculation can create a breathing space for microorganisms, which can lead to various types of infection when you still use it again. That's even a bad habit. Why are you not going to clean sex toy after use? So make sure you clean your sex toy before and after each use. Do not have sex if you are infected, and do not have sex if your partner is infected. I've seen a case where a guy has this, I think, genital wart, or like a kind of sore on the head of the penis, and he was still having sex with his girlfriend. That's wickedness, and I think that's even stupidity, because you are exposing yourself to more bacteria, and you are also trying to infect your partner alongside with you. And I think this is not okay. Whenever you have any infection, or your partner has any infection, make sure you treat it before having sexual intercourse, okay? And also, do not have multiple sex partner. See, I know that some of you, this thing is inevitable, but if you want to have multiple sex partner, make sure you practice safe sex, because various people have various type of bacteria in their body. Now, moving from A to B to C, it is even a way of preventing sexual transmitted infection or sexually transmitted disease such as HIV and AIDS. So if you want to have sex with multiple partners, please make use of barrier methods such as condoms. Treat infection if they occur. If you have any infection, like I said earlier, make sure you treat it before having sexual intercourse. Another point is, do not stay in the shower or jacuzzi for a long period of time. I also said this concerning female who stay in the shower for a long period of time, and this is because for male it can cause wipeout of LD sperm. A doctor known as Dr. Paul Turek carried out an experiment where there were three males, he stopped them from staying inside the hot shower for a long period of time, and after 3 months their sperm count increased massively. I said it in my video that hot environment is not a suitable place for your penis. If you've not watched that video, I'm going to leave the link right here, so make sure you watch it. So staying in the jacuzzi or in the shower for a long period of time can lower your sperm count. Always scroll up the foreskin of your penis. Like, if you should look at your penis, there is a little, like a thin skin there. Always scroll it up, because when you do not scroll it up and they tend to fold across the head of your penis, it can tighten the head of your penis and can cause skin irritation and also pain. The cure to this thing is that you are going to be circumcised again, and you know the pain that's going to put you through. So always scroll up the foreskin of your penis. Try self-examination, just like it is in the female. Try self-examination to make sure their breast is in a good condition. It is also for men, and this is how you do it. It has a technique. Whenever you are inside the shower, do this after a shower for easy examination. Add soap to your end so the testicles can move freely, thereby giving the best results. Use your finger to feel each testicle to check if there are lumps, swellings, pain or aches. Also check if one testicle is red than the other. Check the consistency, as the testicles are supposed to be soft and not hard nor firm. At the back top, feel the epididymis or vas deferens, that is the tube that carries the sperm. Check if it is painful or swollen. It is fine if you notice a testicle is bigger than the other, but when it tends to be more bigger than the other, that it becomes very, very obvious, then you have to see your doctor. And also, if you notice any unusual lump, if you notice maybe a movement, it is better to see your doctor because it can be as a result of infection and also cancer. Avoid excessive and aggressive masturbation because it can lead to penis shrinkage, and that is what you don't want, right? Excessive masturbation can lead to skin irritation, tightness. It can lead to sore because the friction on it, if it's too much, it can lead to wearing and tearing of the body. And also excessive masturbation can lead to dependence. The last one is always wash your testicles well. There's no you're going to bring the testicle out, right? But if you notice the body, you're going to notice it is rough, just like the tongue. So when you are having your bait, make sure you scrub it a bit. It's not like you now scrub it, just scrub it a bit, because that place can harbor microorganisms because of the texture. Okay, that's all about this video. I hope you all enjoy. Please kindly like this video, comment, share to family and friends. Let me know the next video you want to see, and please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media accounts. The links are in the description box. See you in my next one. Bye.